Filipino tayo. So,
Okay, start.
is that a video? Is that a video? Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna
Okay.
read this. Look at
Start
Look at this.
na.
Okay. Excuse me, teacher. I'm gonna read this, okay?
Okay,
I'm gonna
go.
read this. Ang module na ito ay inihanda upang makatulong sa ating mga mag-aaral na madaling matutuhan ang mga aralin sa asignaturang Filipino. Wait lang, stop tayo, meron dot. Ang mga bahaging nakapaloob dito ay sinigurong yon sa mga ibinigay
Aayon.
na layunin. Hinihiling ang iyong paggabay sa ating mga mag-aaral para sa ng paggamit nito. Malaki ang iyong maitutulong sa pag-unlad nila sa pagpapakita ng kakayahang may tiwala sa sarili sa kanilang magiging bagay sa mga sumusunod na aral.
Very good. English naman.
English.
Let's get the English one.
Boat.
Okay, tell me about this one.
I'm looking at it. Okay. Ito.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
First one is, ano to? English ba to? Nga pala. Okay. Start with the teacher utilizes approving students in present the MELC and the servants learning outcomes for the day or week. Persons of the lesson core content and
Relevant.
sample. This allows teacher to maximize learn awareness of their own knowledge and knowledge as record content and skills quarter of the lesson. The teacher pressed activities, text, contents of value and entrance to the learners. This shall expose the learning of done what he she knew, what he she does not know, and what she wanted to know simply. And activities revolve around the
Galing. Okay na.
contents to develop and master to the skills or the MELC.
Wow,
Done.
that's nice.